Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with a little different type of video. I'm coming to you guys with a skincare review. So lately I've been getting a lot of compliments on my skin, which is something that is kind of new to me. I've been trying to take care of my skin for the past 2-3 months or so since we've been locked down in the house or whatever. So I really wanted to try a skincare regimen that really was like a go-to for my type of skin, which is oily skin. I have oily skin also with hyperpigmentation, and I've watched a lot of YouTube videos about Murad. I've seen makeup by Shayla Swear By It, Tiara Walker, and drastic changes to their skin. So I'm like, if it works for these black women, it probably should help and work for me as well. I wanted to get something that I was going to be continuously using the same product within the same brand. So I felt like the Murad Acne Starter Kit was kind of just the start to, if you don't want to splurge so early. So the kit here. The kit is only $50, $49 Canadian. Murad Skincare. I ordered this online at Sephora, and that's usually where you can find Murad products, or on murad.com. But it comes with a 3-step system. It comes with an acne control. I can show you guys the products and stuff, and then so it comes with a clarifying cleanser. It's almost done. That's how you know I'm swearing by day and night. I use this acne clarifying cleanser, and it has 1.5 salicylic acid, which is an acne treatment. I use this day and night. Moisturize it into my skin for about a minute, keep it on, wash it off. These are the 3 steps that I said I've been swearing by. And the acne cleanser is for the treatment of acne and penetrates pores to reduce acne pimples. So I was like, why isn't this working for me? Everything I use doesn't work. I was ready to give up, but I was just like, okay, I like the way that it's making my skin feel a little bit more clean as I was going by. That's why I was continuously using it. Like, I used to have dark blackheads and stuff, and I seen that it was kind of clearing up, rough texture, and it was just a mess. You know, I really wasn't taking care of my skin. So when I started doing, like, maybe on the 3rd week, I was seeing like really drastic change and no more pimples. I think I started maybe using it also when it was the time of the month, so that's kind of where I get my breakouts. Right now I have like this pimple on my chin and on the side, hence why something will be coming soon. So that's why my skin looks like that right now. But I've been learning to take care of my skin now, and I swear by Murad now. I've been recommending it. A lot of people are looking at me and they're like, what are you using? And I just tell them, just Murad. For now, I'm gonna re-up on more of their products with the blue brand, an orange brand that really helped me with my dark spots. So this is the Start Bright Hair Pack, and this one is $44 Canadian. I picked this one up in the store at Sephora, and it comes with a Environmental Shield Essential C Cleanser, Environmental Shield Daily SPF with 30+ SPF, and a Rapid Age Spot Correcting. When I tell you my dark spots were fading in less than a week, I've never had a product that's done this for my skin. I use so many of those like spot treatments, soaps that try and say that they're gonna fade my acne spots, and it never works. So it never works for me. This is the first time, because I have like dark spots on my chest and on my face. Right now I'm wearing like a light beat, but you can't really tell. But that's the one thing I struggle with my skin, and it was kind of hard for me to kind of like be comfortable without wearing makeup all the time. I generally go outside without makeup. I don't really care. But when I tell you, I think this product here changed my life. This one here really did it for me. I was seeing results in less than a week using this on just the spots under my neck and my chest area, and then just down here as well. It's crazy how fast this works. It's supposed to be for age spots, but then also I use the SPF right after I put this on. So basically I'm using like 5 products maybe, like holistically. I try to use the cleanser in the daytime because it's an environmental shield, so I think it'll help with the sun. Like I've used this morning, so that it kind of helps when I'm out in the sun and stuff like that. And then I use the Environmental Shield. I love this one way more. I know I'm supposed to like the other one better, but I kind of like this one a little bit better because it's a little bit more moisturizing. Makes my face a little bit more like shiny and glossy. This one is an oil and pore control, so it makes you a little oily and stuff. I'm not as oily with this one, but for some reason I like that shine and that moisturize. So anytime I put this one on too, a lot of people ask me like, what do you have on your skin is glowing. So I swear by these. I even told my best friend to get this one because she has the same problem with the hyperpigmentation of the dark spots, and she says she really likes it. I think it's easier though when you have a 3-step system instead of using other products and mixing around and trying to figure out what works. I think you should stick to one brand, and Murad is really doing that with me. Lately I've been picking up some more stuff from them. I recently just got their clarifying toner, and it has like witch hazel and like a tea tree. It's just like very like a burning effect. I don't know, you like to feel that burn, like it's actually working. Yeah, but like I put that on after I wash my face with some cotton pads, and then you see all the built up dirt and stuff, because that's how you get breakouts. So all the built up dirt that's under your skin after you cleanse, there's still dirt under your skin. So the clarifying toner is helping as well, and I would definitely recommend you guys getting the starter kits if you don't want to invest in like the $100 bottles of cleansers and stuff that they have in their line. But now I'm hooked, and I'm like gonna actually invest in the whole entire thing. Also, I went to a facialist last week, and that's why my skin's kind of looking a little bit more glowy. Last week I went to Les Pampers Spa. She's an in-house service where she does facials, all these like microneedling. She does all skin type procedures, I guess. I really want to get rid of my dark spots slowly there, but I just need like a chemical peel or something to really kind of officially get rid of it. So I have a scheduled microneedling appointment next week, but the first time I went to her, which was last week, she did vitamin C facial. So that was just getting all of that gunk and all that bacteria out of my skin. She did extractions. She went right into my skin, all of the pores in your nose and under your chin that you can't really get into. She really got all of it out. She gave me a facial. I was there for like about 2 hours. Like she really did the works. Masks, cleansers, toners, really did light therapy, and she just really helped my skin. It just felt like a light weight about taking care of my skin. And it doesn't just start with just buying products and then it's obviously going to work. You have to change your lifestyle too. You have to constantly change your bed sheets and your pillows. You have to drink a lot of water. It all starts with your diet too. If you're eating unhealthy, you can't expect to get clear skin. And if you're wondering why you're getting breakouts, it's not going to work. If you're constantly eating junk, high salt intake is really a #1 factor too. And your phone. She told me that she's like, you guys gotta wipe off your guys' phones because all the bacteria she breaks out on the side of her face. And she was like, she wasn't cleaning her phone, and she realized that. So I think that it's just a lifestyle change. And then ever since I've been keeping up with it, I like this journey. I'm excited to kind of see where my skin goes if I continue on the process of doing more acne treatments and continuously using my products. I think it should all go well. Just let me know in the comments how you guys feel about Murad, if you guys ever used it, if you guys are intrigued and you want to see a before and after pictures. I probably might post them within the video to see before and after, to see how drastic my skin has changed in the past 2 months. So just to let you guys know more about these holy grail products that I swear by now all of a sudden. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this was helpful. I wish you guys good luck on your skin journeys, and just let me know how it goes.